Alright, so we are in the garage tonight and I have whipped up this little bad boy. It is a organiser. It's made from just some thin MDF. The drawers just slide in and out. You can see they're just little plastic containers, and then they just slide back in. Now there's 4 of these, and then if we move over here, this is actually separate. This is just some containers that I had. These are actually just like builders containers that hold like hardware, but yeah, once again they just slide in like so and just keeps everything organized. So I'm pretty happy with how that turned out, and I'm pretty happy that I got to use my little 3D printed squares that I made. I made these, and then I kind of printed this little one as well, and I only printed this one just to see how it would print with no supports and being vertical, but printed really nice, and it's actually 100% square. So happy with how that turned out. But this organisation here is going to be extremely useful, and it was all inspired by Adam Savage. If you don't know Adam, you know, works on Mythbusters, has Adam Savage One Day Builds on Tested, an extremely great channel which I love. But yeah, this was just inspired by him and his organisation skills. So hope everyone can like, comment and subscribe. Tell me what you thought. It was a pretty easy build, and I just adapted what I had. I had 4 of these containers, I had 2 of these containers, so just adapted to what I had, and it worked out great. So thanks for watching, everyone.